Joe. It's hot. Hot, hot, hot. That's cool. Knock on wood. Glad that air conditioner is blowing today.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's Monday. Joe's got some hair transplants. Let's see what he's got.
Guys.
Let's do it.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? You know, there's never just a day.
No.
No.
Not a normal day.
So, I told Clay, I almost didn't get here. So setting up this cool thing, and we'll look at it in a minute. Okay, let's hit this up
so
here.
Joe was setting up the PowerProbe demo.
First, it's like I was going to set it up here, but you couldn't get in there, play with that big tube. You just couldn't see it. So here's somebody could do it. People can see it. I finally found where to set it up. Go set it up. And then I broke the bracket for my seat motor, and the seat was all the way up on my steering wheel. I really couldn't drive it that way. I am just not that skinny.
So Joe,
there's not many people I have my route that could have fit in there.
So,
oh, wait a minute. Whew. I like my hat, guys.
That's what I was going to ask you about. How did you grow your hair so fast?
But anyways, we got it fixed. Well, not fixed. We got the seat moved back.
Yeah.
But that's where it is.
Yeah. Well, I tell you the way I look at it, as long as the seat fits me, I don't care if it fits nobody else or not.
Yeah. But nothing's really covered or batteries protected or anything. But anyways, but that was just you know, part of my day.
Yep.
I hope everybody had a great weekend. I had a great weekend.
Absolutely.
Every weekend's a good weekend.
I worked. I don't know if you seen all the dirt in the front yard, but
I just hurried up to get here. There's still sweat all over my collar and my hair.
Yeah, we finished the French drain. I got a little bit of sanding left to do and a little more digging and a whole lot of smoothing and raking and getting grass going. So
yeah, I have a lot being done in my house too, let me tell you. But we have a bucket of cash here, and I need to yeah, Vinny, I always get your name wrong, and it's only been a few times, but anyways, Vinny from New York.
Okay.
I call him my cousin Vinny. He's a great guy. But we got 3, 6, 7.
Wow. There you go.
Here.
7 of them.
I'm not gonna hurt your name, but
Hans Jostoven?
Justin, yeah, that's it. I only heard it like once. But yeah, we got talking, and we had all kinds of stuff, and then of course Mr. Joe Grosso from New York. I forgot my count here, so there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wow.
Maybe I need to move to New York. They both invited me up there.
Sounds like you need to be a tool guy.
It'd be a good day.
That kind of money.
Great people up there. Robert Bolander.
Yep.
For one, from Pennsylvania. Johnny Ramirez. He's our Army guy in California.
Cool dude.
So we're all over the place, and that's a good day.
So let's talk about the PowerProbe demo.
PowerProbe demo.
Yeah. So what all can we do and push and make, spin and whirl?
We're going to play with that next week, because then I'll look like I might know what I'm doing.
I got you. You're going to have to get educated on it.
But I did get a few power probes in, so we can actually hook it up, that I got power to it, and
yep.
So we can actually have something to do looking good. But I got a couple power probes up there, one down there. But we got the new PowerProbe light.
Okay.
Now, this used to be MWL 1000. It's now MWL, and I'm dyslexic. I changed them letters so many times. Now it's a 1400.
Okay. What did they change?
I was trying to find that out, but I didn't have the other one too. I'm just thinking
Maybe more
it's
power or something?
it feels like it's a lot heavier. I think besides the battery here, a magnet here, magnets here, I'm thinking it's probably brighter.
Okay.
And then these all pop out. It's got a magnet here so you can stick it this way, and then of course it comes out this way. You got a magnet this way, and you got the hanging hook.
Okay.
And when you have it turned on, I thought the LEDs would show, but and maybe they do, but I'm not catching it. Would let you know where you are power wise. But yeah, it's
like
bright.
Connector pins is what it look. Charging pins. Yeah, that's what it is. Huh?
Charges USB-C.
Oh, in here.
Oh, for in here, yeah. I was thinking maybe they'd light up, let you know where you were power wise. But
that's pretty cool. The
it's
old
very
one
cool.
was great,
So
so
you-
the new one's got to be better.
So you can, I mean, you can just feel the weight of that thing.
Yeah.
There's a lot to it.
The old ones was great, so that one's got to be better.
Yeah. So I got a couple of these here. I'm gonna get to one of the guys I sold them to and see where we can compare them and see
Yeah.
what it looks.
Cool
the
deal.
old side by side. I take everything off over here. Can't see what I buried over here, but I got a couple of the micro torches in.
Yeah.
And this to me is one of the best micro torches there is.
Okay.
You got the
Stand.
nice pad, but it'll stand up on its own.
Mm-hmm.
Fill it with butane. As long as you keep that there hole solid right there, it lights up great. Throws a great flame.
Okay.
Yeah,
PowerProbe makes some good stuff.
that they do. And I had something else from them. Had a couple Milwaukee radios in.
Oh yeah, it's getting that time, man.
This is the M18, so you can plug it in. You can run it with the M18 battery.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're plugged in, it will charge your M18 battery.
Hey, how about that?
And I think it's like 100 yards away. It'll be Bluetooth to your phone,
That's
and
nice.
you can be running this.
Looks like it's got a phone holder on the top of it. Pretty nice.
Yep.
Setup.
It
Oh,
gives you
yeah.
where you can plug
it
in,
in.
or set your phone in here, and that's what I usually do. I
Mhm.
set it in there, keep it out of the sun.
Heck yeah, that's cool, man.
Um,
I think want to be loud as big as this.
they actually work awesome. I use mine all the time.
I bet your neighbors is like, oh, Joe's outside working again.
Oh, they don't. Yeah, they don't hear that. They just hear the big booms.
Oh, okay.
My neighbors live far enough away that they know better.
Yep.
We're not going to live close to that guy.
Mm-hmm.
He's just too wild. I actually ran out of batteries 3 different times with M12s, and they had a whole bunch come in. And guys I saw this morning that got tools,
Yep.
had to get batteries to them.
Gotta have the batteries.
The guy that had that book, 113 years.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm in Tupelo. I got from the guy in Tennessee. His name is Ben. And so a guy in Tupelo says, well, where'd you get that from? And I told him, I said, yeah, he used to own this big race motor company where, you know, they used to work almost 3 shifts just making race engines and stuff like that, building race cars. He goes, Ben, and tells me his last name. I says, yep, that's him. He says, that man made a lot of money off of me when I was racing cars.
That's funny.
He says, but then I made a lot of money off of the stuff I bought from him, because he made, you know, they did engines, they did, you know, whole cars.
Oh, nice.
He says, but I made a lot of money too. So I made sure they both said their greetings and
That's
all that
cool.
stuff, which is kind of neat. Just a small world.
It is.
It's awesome. I am looking for Something else I had stuck in the shelves here. Oh yeah. Has some Milwaukee earbuds again.
Okay.
These are pretty cool. They work really good. Come in their case. They're just really, really good.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. I'm trying to think who it was. I think Joe Grosso says, nothing but heavy duty.
There
He loves
you
it
go.
when I do that stuff.
Well, that's some good stuff. So, guys, if you need any of it, it's simple. Text Joe. His number's right down there at 731-412-7295.
That's it.
And he'll hook you up. Like always, guys, hit that thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm. Check over here for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down here. If you're not subscribed, take your finger, click that button. You guys have a great week. See ya.